Welcome to event number 11 of the season. Today, skiing is here. And we're going to find out who will win on this colourful board down the line. Red Peppers lead the way in front of Cheese Balls and the Buffalo Warriors. The Tequilas, the Roger Rollers and Burning Flares are not too far behind. The 11th event of the season is here. It's a go. Snowballs, Zebras, Burning Flares and Earths will start us off. And we are! Burning Flares in front and Earths will hold on for second place. Snowballs and Zebras are out. Seahorse and Ninjas, Electric Eels. We off, who win? Name could be Cheese Balls and Electric Eels. Ink Poisons are out. Sorry about that. Roger Wallace, Buffalo Warriors, Moneyballs and Coral Reefs. And we are off. Why did it? Sorry. Coral Reefs and Moneyballs are all bands. Roger Wallace will get called out. Buffalo Warriors, they won't advance. Fireworks, Red Peppers, Faders and Ice Chippers. Who bears here? Well, Red Peppers and Faders will move on from this heat. Semi-finals, here we go. Sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit. Here we go. Burning Flares, Red Peppers, Faders, and Moneyballs. And we are off. Who has the... there you go. Red Peppers ain't the Burning Flares. And Faders, they will advance to the final. Moneyballs will just duck on the inside, Red Peppers. Coral Reefs, Electric Eels, Earths and Coral Reefs. Here we are. Cheese Balls and Coral Reefs Wolverines. Sorry if I'm breathing a little bit hard. Burning Flares, Coral Reefs. Coral Reefs, Burning Flares, Cheese Balls and Faders. Who get the gold? And we are off. Well, no one will make it. But it says Cheese Balls are further. Cheese Balls, Faders and Coral Reefs. They will make up the podium here today. Here at the skiing event. This is probably the worst event I've ever done. And we'll make sure the next time we do skiing, It's better than this. We will see you again for the bobsleigh when that comes out. Let's see how the championship will go now.